Hi guys, I'm Zebra Bandit and today I'll show you some bugs or something that has to be fixed in iOS 11 that I found so far. I'll talk in English because I know I want everyone that watches to understand. First bug, the Wi-Fi Bluetooth bug. If you enable it from Control Center, they would still be active. As you can see, it is still turned on, but in Control Center they're not. Second thing that has to be fixed is calculator. If you access calculator from Control Center in lock screen, as you can see, screen is locked, you cannot turn your calculator in landscape mode. Third thing is about notifications. If this is Instagram's bug or it's for iOS 11, but I think that Instagram should be updated to fit iOS 11, so this is Instagram bug. Someone accepted my follow request. I'll go to someone's profile and then I would click to notification to open it, and nothing shows. I think this is Instagram's problem, it needs to be updated for iOS 11, but I don't know. Fourth problem, it's actually bug. If you access calculator in lock screen and you try to unlock your phone, it would glitch and your okay, now it's unfreezed. Let's do it again. Boom, glitched. So now your background is kind of zoomed and you don't have Control Center or Notification Center. But here they are. Basically your screen turns in landscape mode even though you can't turn landscape mode on iPods, but here it is, and it would be unglitched after this. Yeah, that's what I have to show you. In future iOS 11 updates it should be fixed. This is just what I found. I want to share, spread these bugs for Apple to fix them, I know. So yeah, thanks for watching again, see you next time, bye!